guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ani dharing muzo annual day college morida. Ani dharing muzo khachari lana award duty lasra award ceremony shasa ani dijela ani share thangin zu share thai re lasra ani matya re la so ani muzo su goa ni niyo padu de wodu attendance stretch do ani dharing padi khachi de wo ani dharing da mangsi da share thai ko dance tangi uzudaya ozo shoot dochin bagai ni this video ringo chabo dura ani DJ la khache de wo ai cappuccino. ये मैं cappuccino हो रही है। I don't know what to do. तो कॉलेज डाले बहुत शुक्र फिली दो यार देखेंगे प्रोग्राम माय क्लासमेट 안당아요 아디 그래 추동이랑 밀레스라야 게시했어 안 될래야다 스톰바로 주더라 아니 갈라고자다 적반이 어디야 레디셔거로 원이야야 아 스페셜로 시스템 참았어라 아니 요졸레 아니 시 레도 차나요 수고가 나중에 땅이 말아줘요 수고가 제일 땅이 메세만서요 어디야 원이는 쇼레스 아니 레 요요 그 저기 신도 also Goa ne Australia da di rana attendance rate annual day do resha daring also ceremony do ti dra ani sangi also share thari sha daring also formal khong elastra ya formal also do khoi kutta do khong elastra ani sangi also tholo khar khong elas ani sangi also khache bas share thari la so ani sangi da daring do nyam do sha ko
Esteemed faculty members, distinguished guests, and all our dear champions. It is with great honor and privilege that I stand before you today to introduce our esteemed achievers and a beacon of inspiration, Dr. Ahalya Sharma, exemplifies the very essence of leadership, innovation, and now I request Father Litovic Thomas, Vice Principal, to kindly present a memento as a gesture of our gratitude. Unending assistance and motivation. Thank you, teachers.
So let know, ladies and gentlemen, we are now going to begin with Samyak Darshan 2024. Before that, we have...
तारा Ashish and the violin against Smith and Anish.
പാട്ടുകൂട്ടും പൊട്ടിപ്പാടുന്നേ അടിപൊളി ശിങ്കമാലട അയ്യസ്വാമി അടിപൊളി ശിങ്കമാലട അയ്യസ്വാമി നാട്ടിയോടും പാട്ടുകൂട്ടം
musicians. കണ്ടമ്മ എങ്ങനെ 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 എങ്ങനെ
Faster than a hairpin trigger. Don't you say, don't you say, don't say, don't you say one breath.
एक हो गए हम और तुम तो उड़ गई नींदें और घन की पायल मस्ती में वो कंगन
जब सिया जाए मैंने सुन लिया जुल्फों की शाम मेरा सब कुछ है पिया से नजरों में तेरी छुआ तो है ये जादू हुआ होने लगी हूँ मैं हंसी खुद को मैं पहचान तुमको बस मैं अपना मानूं माहिया तुमसे ज्यादा मैं ना जान तुमसे खुद को मैं पहचान तुमको बस मैं अपना मानूं माहिया वास्ते जाने को मैं गवाए बांधी दूं किस्मत राधिका छोड़ दूं बदले में मैं तेरे जो बुरा भूल भी ले जन्नते सच कहूँ छोड़ दूं प्राण प्राण गया नसीब है मेरा मिलके बिना मुझे मिला मेरी ये आँखों में तो देखो 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 कैसी बातें यहाँ की मैं तेरे को जाना नहीं मैं इस दौर से नहीं
Beautiful performance, guys.
with the know who is the best outgoing Jayanti in 2024. Are you excited? Can I have a loud cheer? The moment where we get to know who is the best outgoing student. Are you eager to know who is the Mr. Jenkin and Miss Jenkin 2024?
Miss Geetika Prakash, 6th Sem BA English.
Put your hands together for Miss Jayanti 2024.
Mr. Rohin Agarwal, 6th Sem of the BCA.
Put your hands together for Mr. Jayanti 2024. Mr. Rohin Agarwal.
Phone charger mindura phone charge so adi khachena. I don't have phone charger, so I am going to end this vlog for today, and tomorrow I will continue. Just subscribe to my YouTube.
Subscribe to Jensen's channel.
Like, share, comment.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Bye. 이건 좀 내가 진행이지야. 뭐 그래? 새끼, 너 한. Thari video di tharan sam shayin changlo ani like share comment subscribe chirisi sangi nimo ji video di sangi na loga shayin kana na video ya nyam do continue chinayo ni ke ande ru chaya sha thari video di this ru cha sa ani sangi kono yang loga chin shoot loga chira ani continue chayin in thari di jo jo ya this it china ba sangi ya nga shoot chura ani the story school chair시간 다른데 뭐 요거 이게 치니 다른 건다가 유로 아부 지금 체인 야야 안녕 바이